Hey friends, I'm going to install some mower blades today. These are like a hybrid, like Gator shredder style blade. And what I like the best about them is that they're not very expensive because at least on our property, you go through these things like crazy. But pretty good lip on them, but there's just gaps in here, so they kind of shred that grass before they throw it. We're going to go put it on the mower and just try them out, see how they do. All right, let's go give it a shot. All right, let's talk about changing out mower blades. So first thing you want to do is get this deck up in the air. If you're not using some kind of lift designed to do this, and you're using a jack, just be careful. When that jack lets go and you're underneath it, it's bad news. So have some stands or blocks underneath this thing, you know. Don't maim yourself. Anyway, you're going to need to jam a block of wood between your blade and the deck. Reason is when you're trying to unscrew this thing, these blades are going to keep moving. So we need a piece of wood to jam in here. Ideally one with a rusty nail in it. That's always a good choice. There we go. Now a lot of people are going to try to use just a regular old wrench to do this, and it may work. It's just turn it to the left to loosen it, nothing fancy. But a lot of times these things are on here super tight, and they will not want to break free using a wrench. So people think something's broke or something's rusted on. It's probably not. These things just get on here real tight. So get rid of your wrench. You're not going to be able to use your socket wrench. You're going to try to use your driver. Now they make some adapters for these just regular old screwdriver style impact drivers that let you use a socket with them. And usually the impact force from one of these will take a blade off. Now if it doesn't, what do? Well, then you got to go get a bigger impact gun. But this little quarter inch impact loosen these bolts up, so not too bad. While you're on here, just inspect your bolt, make sure nothing's jacked up about it. Mary, leave my piece of wood alone. It'd probably be a good idea to get under here and pull out all the gunky grass that's in here, clogging up your deck, making it mow like garbage. When you got your blade, you want the wings facing up. All right, those work pretty good. Even in kind of tall grass, it cut it right down. That's looking great.